Okay guys, today we are going to be showing you how to remove your tail light from your Silverado pickup truck. So stay tuned and enjoy. This video is made possible by Bob's Paint Shop. Check him out in the description below. So to get started, you will want to open up your tailgate. This is the tailgate. It folds down, so it's easy to get to your tail light. So once you fold your tailgate down, you got two 4-way bolts here. 1 and 2. You will want to take a 4-way and remove these two bolts. Once you get your two bolts removed, then you can just pull out your tail light. It comes straight out, just like so. Whoops. Okay. Whoops. Trying to film here, people. Let's lay it down. Once you get your tail light pretty well, comes straight out. It's got two tabs. They just stick straight in to help hold it. Two 4-ways holds it in. You want to twist your bulbs out. There's one bulb, two bulb, and three bulb. Ugh. Mr. Taillight, you need to give me my taillight bulb. And that concludes the video on removing your taillights out of your Silverado pickup. It's the same way on the other side, so you just need to see how one is done to be able to remove them both. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. This video was made possible by Bob's Paint Shop. Check him out in the description below, and check my channel out for more content. And until the next video, we'll see you then. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and also put your screws into your taillights so you don't lose them. Because, you know, if you lose them, you'll be screwed. See you next time.